We've seen it time and time again, needles thrown on the ground at shopping centers and parking lots, even at courthouses. It's a public health hazard, and tonight there's a local group working to fight it. It is the only needle exchange in Mecklenburg County. It just expanded. And while it caters to drug users, its focus is to battle addiction. NBC Charlotte's Alex Shabbat joins us from the Centers for Prevention Services.
Well, the executive director here tells me some people don't like the idea about hearing of a needle exchange in their neighborhood because it's perceived to increase the drug problem by some. But she says the data shows it does just the opposite.
This photo shows what the Queen City Needle Exchange provides to drug users. The display includes Narcan and several clean needles, while at the same time
taking their used needles and disposing of them properly.
But it's not an easy pill for everyone in the public to swallow.
It's the misconception that providing people with clean syringes encourages them to use.
But data shows it's just the opposite, according to Angela Allen, Executive Director of Center for Prevention Services. And she tells us the needle exchange is especially needed now because of the opioid crisis and a spike in new infectious diseases like Hep C and HIV in Mecklenburg County.
People are 5 times more likely to get into treatment and go into recovery if they are involved in an exchange. And in the meantime, we're helping to reduce the spread of infectious disease.
Just last year, a mom posted on the Nextdoor app warning people she saw 8 hypodermic needles in the same spot at the Arboretum.
That gets into the wrong hands, could be potentially very dangerous.
Since June of 2018, Allen says the needle exchange has distributed more than 12,000 clean needles while having 5,600 used syringes turned in. The organization first launched in 2016 after needle exchanges became legal in North Carolina.
Syringe exchange programs are available all over the country, and they've been legal much, much longer than they've been legal here.
And the executive director tells me because of the Narcan that they've distributed, they've saved 260 people's lives. In Charlotte, Alex Shabbat, NBC Charlotte.